Alright everyone, it has now been about a month or so since we mailed out the cards, and we got them in. I've already taken off all the incriminating information, and much bigger. It's so funny, like, you put 50 cards in without cases, and it's in a much smaller box. Remember how small that box was? And then you get them back, and goes to show how much more space that they now will all of a sudden take up. So anyway, I kind of forgot what some of these cards were. Let's see if we got this one. Why is it so hard to get? There we go. Let's see if we got any 10 grades or something to that effect, although we're going to have to wait just a little bit longer because they put it in another box. They put a box in a box. They did one of those things. Box in a box. Let me make sure there's no... okay, I don't think there's any incriminating information on there, so let us do this, and this is going to be, oh boy, isn't that beautiful. So let's start, and we'll kind of put them in piles. So first card, okay, this Gyarados is an 8. Gyarados is an 8. Excellent. So starting off on the right foot, we have a 9 Togepi, and we have a 9 Mewtwo. So I actually see a lot of 9s here. We have an 8 first edition Hypno. Excellent. And is that a... I guess this one they did not grade. So they do not grade those. Oh, bummer. Okay, we have a number 8 Zapdos. So I did a pretty good job keeping these cards in good condition. And first, well, kind of a ding. It's 7.5 Gengar. Put that in a 7 pile right there. We have a 7.5 Pikachu. And, ooh, ouch, a 6. A 6. I kind of wonder, interesting. Wonder why they gave that one a 6. I'm sure we can look at it a little bit closer if we wanted to, but that's a 6. Ouch, 5.5. Gonna put that one there because we're running out of room. 7.5 though. Oh, sorry, 7.5. Now, in all fairness, I don't really care because I don't think I'm getting rid of the first movie ones anyway. 7.5. We have an 8.5. And now, here's one of the interesting ones. 8.5. Remember, this is one of the ones that we took straight out of the package. This was brand new. It was brand new. They gave it an 8.5. 9. Another one. We took it straight out of the package, and it's a 9. My hopes for getting a 10 have dropped dramatically. I have an 8.5 for Cerebi. This was another one. Came straight out of the package. Straight out of the package. This one came out of the package. This one got a 9.5. That one's, I think that's the highest one we've got so far. 9 out of the package. 9.5, again, it was brand new, out of the package. An 8.5. I don't know if this was out. One of them was not out of the package, but a couple more were. 9, I'm going to assume that one was out of the package. 8.5, I'm going to assume that one was also out of the package. 8.5, this was probably out of the package. You can see the 8.5s are growing quite a bit. 9, you know, and again, you saw the video. You saw the other video. I was taking them out, and they were brand new, never been touched before, but no 10 so far. 7.5, that's another one. Oh shoot, I'm putting these in the wrong spot. I'm sorry, guys. Let me take a moment to just edit all that out. We got a 9. We got an 8.5. A 9. 7.5. Womp womp. 5.5. What's interesting is, like, why are they in the same league? I know why this is. This has some scratches, but this doesn't have any scratches. I don't understand that one. We have an 8. So, you know. Ooh. Biggest failure yet so far. 4.5. Mr. Mime. 4.5. But we're back to 7.5. And a 5. Wah wah. Bummer. I have an 8.5. It's good. We have a 7. We have a 7.5. I'm not too surprised. This one actually does have some wear. I think I actually played with that one. An 8.5. We have 7.5. Another 7.5. 5.5. First edition, unfortunately. But that first edition will carry some weight. We have a 7. Now this one, I don't know how this one was judged to be a 7 or not, because you can barely tell it's a holograph. So what were they grading it on? I don't. Anyway, I guess it's a 7. I mean, 7 and up, I'm generally pleased with. It's the lowers that are okay. So this one we kind of have to cover up. It's the infamous Misty's Tear card. You know why? I have to cover it up, but that got an 8. And I'm gonna, because I want to keep it family friendly, so we're gonna hide the Misty card underneath there. You have an 8 Eevee. You have an 8 Surfing Pikachu. You have an 8.5 Entei. You have an 8 Brock's Raiden. You have an 8.5 Dark Golbat. That was my watch. I'm sorry, folks. You have an 8 Muck. Speaking of eBay, I'm getting a bunch of bids on a PS5. Okay, last one. I have no hope whatsoever that this will be a 10. Nope, it's a 9 Magneton. So let's let's look over this real quick. And yeah, it's a little messy. I know my desk is a little messy. I'm sorry. We have the most. Oops.
Hey, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Just a few more things. First of all, the names that you see on the screen, these are our Patreon and YouTube member supporters. And I thank each and every one of them. Their support helps me make exclusive videos for Patreon and YouTube members, as well as keep the channel running. And of course, is just of huge kindness to me. Also, don't forget to check out the iCritic-led podcast on Spotify, Apple, Google, Deezer, whatever podcasting service you listen to. It is there. We definitely want to see you there. And hey, there's also other videos that you can check out. So, you know, check out these other channels, these other videos, especially that one. I think that's a really good one.